Hello to all the Poppo streamers and future stars. So if you have been wondering how people are making money consistently on PoppoLive, this video is for you. In this video today, I'm going to share with you 10 powerful and proven ways you can make money on PoppoLive even if you are not a celebrity. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to share with you my bonus tip, the one that make me earn thousands of dollars monthly consistently on PoppoLive. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about live streaming, YouTube growth tips for beginners, and digital entrepreneurship. So the first way to make real money on PoppoLive is by going live and performing your tasks. So if you are new and you don't know what I'm talking about, we are talking about live streaming platform, which is PoppoLive. So if you join in, you should do your tasks, and if you do your first hour live streaming, you are going to earn $1, which is 10,000 points. So I've done this video already showing you how to perform your tasks. So in the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop a playlist. So all you need to do right now is just get your pen and paper and jot down what I'm talking, so that later you can always come back to watch all the videos that I'm making, so that it will make more sense to you. The second way to earn real money on PoppoLive is by referral. So the moment you have signed up, you are now a host. You can also refer people to become a host on PoppoLive. But I see a lot of people saying that I refer someone and I did not earn any money. The thing is, if you are inviting anyone, encourage the person to click on your own link, download the app immediately and sign up first. Because if the person download the app and the person did not sign up and then later on come back to sign up, Poppo is not going to give you commission for that. So how do you refer people to PoppoLive? On your dashboard, you just click on invite, and you now click invite now, and you now copy your ID and send. So if the people that sign up with your link are doing their tasks, are joining the app, you are going to come back. When you click on the invite, you just click on receive, and you now receive your earning. The third way to make money on PoppoLive is by becoming an agent, which is the agency contract. But if you join PoppoLive and you join an agency already, and then you now want to become an agent, you need to first of all inform your agent so that you quit that agency, so that you become an agent. But if you are new and you understood the app very well, you can straight away become an agent even from level 1 right now. Before now, if you join, you cannot become an agent until you get to some levels, or you have to understand the app. But now you don't have to do all that. And if you want, I have a video showing you all what it takes to become an agent and all that. But in the description of this video, I'll also drop a link to becoming an agency. If you click on it, it will take you to the website where you just put your Poppo ID, and OTP will be sent to you to your PoppoLive. You go to your PoppoLive messenger, copy the OTP, and come back to the website and paste it, and then voila, you have become an agent. And I've also done a detailed video showing you practically how the earning works on PoppoLive as an agent, how you receive your commission, how you can make more money as an agent. I've done that video, and I also have a complete playlist of videos about agency, about running an agency and all that. So let me know if you cannot find that. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section, so that I will just give you the complete playlist about agency, right? The fourth way to make money on PoppoLive consistently is by hosting party, opening panel, and receiving gifts from viewers. You know, PoppoLive is a place that is social, so you don't have to go to PoppoLive, just do your own live stream and run away. You stay there, you make friends, you engage, you talk. I cannot begin to tell you how many times that I myself, I go and do and just throw money on people on PoppoLive. Another way you can make more money on PoppoLive is by leveling up. So as you join the PoppoLive live streaming platform, is you just be doing live stream. Maybe the first 1 hour you get 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. But you can always upgrade so that you earn more. So, and I've done a detailed video sharing with you exactly how the leveling up work, how you should do your leveling up, and how I do my own that I don't drop until after 7 days, right? So the fifth way to make money on PoppoLive is by selling coins. I don't know that is fifth or sixth right now. It's by selling coins. So you can become a coin seller on PoppoLive, but before you be able to sell coins on PoppoLive, you need to become an agent. If you are not an agent, you cannot sell coins. Myself, I was selling coins before, but oh my god, some person started using my profile picture to scam people. So because of that, I have stopped selling coins on PoppoLive, but you can make a lot of money selling coins on PoppoLive, and I've made this video sharing with you exactly in details how to become a coin seller on PoppoLive, how selling of coin, how it works, all the method and strategies that you need to gain more buyers as you sell coins on PoppoLive. Another way also that you can earn money on PoppoLive is by playing this. So recently PoppoLive started talking to us content creators that they don't want to be associated with this name. So because of that, I have to private all the videos I did on this, but I have a Telegram group of 3,000 plus followers or members. So if you join, you can, I'll pin it so that you can access that video to watch and learn, but the video is not for public anymore. But please, as you join my Telegram group, I beg you, I will never DM you, I will never ask you to buy coin, I will never ask you money for activation or whatever. And I want to put it out there, not just because of me. Please, you need to be safe on the internet, because there are a lot of people that are going out there to just get your money by all means. I cannot understand why my name is Ijapari Gyang, and then somebody with name Abdul, Isaac or Zainab is sending you account details with Isaac and Zainab, and you go and send the money because the person is only using my profile picture or sending you my video link. Please stay safe, I beg of you. Help me on this, okay? Another way you can make real money on PoppoLive is by participating in events, competition, and also receiving ranking and bonuses. There was a time that I think even this month, no, last 2 months, I won up to $100. There was a month I won $50 and all that. And there are people that don't even have following, they are also making money consistently by getting bonus in participating in all these events that is hosting almost every month. Sometimes in a month there is 2 or 3 events happening on PoppoLive, but a lot of people don't know. That is why you need to subscribe to my channel, because in the community tab of this channel, whenever there is anything coming up, I always come there and post. But you cannot see my community posts if you have not subscribed to my channel and turn notification. That is why you need to do that. Another way you can make money on Poppo is by becoming a service provider. How is that? Like right now, let me invite you personally to my friend's birthday, Agent Sakuma. So I created this for her. I created multiple, then she picked this one. So I'm also a graphic designer, but right now my hands are so full. So you can also be a graphic designer. People that are hosting their party and all that, doing their birthday, they will reach out to you, but you cannot be doing that if all you do, you just come and sit down and then do a live stream and go. You need to engage, you need to follow people, you need to attend other people's birthday, you need to advertise your work. You can be a service provider, you can be a DJ. Like, there's no day that the party is not hosting on PoppoLive. So you need to become a service provider, and by so doing you have your side hustle. So the last but not the least, which is my own bonus to you, the one that make me the most amount of money, is building your own personal brand. Like, as I started making money on YouTube, as I'm making money on Poppo, as I started talking about live streaming, I ensure I did not confine myself to Poppo alone. I started building my own personal brand through content creation. So right now, through Poppo, there are other brands that are reaching out to me for collaboration. Brands are reaching out for me for some services. Just for me to mention 1 or 2 things about them in my videos, I am making money consistently. And what put me out there where I said I'm going to share with you why I'm making thousands of dollars a month is being a content creator. If you are here right now, you are watching me till this point, I want to tell you that it is time to start, right? It is time to start. And I've done a 30 days YouTube growth challenge where I share with you how to create your YouTube channel, how to film video, how to edit video, how to upload video, and everything, all for free. The link to join that particular challenge is in the description of this video. You can go and join. Once you join, there's a pin message. You just go there, you check where we are at. You can also learn. And again, I have launched an ebook. The link to purchase this ebook is in the description of this video. This ebook is like an online course that myself, one of my mentor was like, just say it is an online course, it's not an ebook, because in that ebook I share with you practical how to grow your YouTube. I share with you tips about content creation, and I did not stop at that. Like everything I mentioned, I make sure there's a video link in that ebook that will take you, that means you will read it and then you will click and watch it and learn all that in a book. What a time to be alive. So if you are interested in that ebook, comment ebook or check the description of this video so that you can click and also go and download it. So this is what all the personal branding is all about. You can be making money consistently. Like right now, as you watch this video, I am earning. If you click to and use my referral link, I am earning. If you click to become an agent with my link, I am earning. If you go to download my ebook, I am earning. Like you can actually create this multiple income stream. That is why you need to join that challenge group on Telegram. We are not much, but we are supporting each other. Feel free. If you cannot purchase the book, everything that is inside the book is also in that challenge. It's just that I put it together as a book so that you don't have to suffer spending weeks, months, and all that without getting enough value. But if you cannot afford, it's fine. Just take your time and join the group. Thank you so much, and hope to see you again in my next video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are a new content creator or a new YouTuber, you can drop a comment in the comment section so that you can connect with each other, support each other to grow and all that. I have videos on how you can grow on YouTube and all that. I will drop that playlist also. Oh, thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Like my voice has been cracking. I went for miracle service and koinonia in the month of June. So I don't know when you are watching this video, but I went for koinonia miracle service, and I've been praying for all of you, and may God bless us all. Bye.